I'm going to show you how you can import a save on Melvor Idle in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to export the game. So all you need to do is go to the profile or the character you want to export and wait a few seconds until it loads. So once you are here, you need to click on your profile, or you can also scroll down until you see settings and then go to the bottom to the account settings. Okay, so right here you can export the save, or you can download the save as a file. So let's say I want to export the save this way. I need to copy everything, and then to import the save, you need to select a character right here and then click the settings right here to import the save. So I'm gonna save it on this empty slot, import the save, and paste all the code you have copied before, and that's it. Now you can click on import and you have the exactly same save. So now if you want to delete it, you can just click right here and delete the local save. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.